We're proud to present our new Connects 2 installation kits for the 2014 to 16 Porsche Macan. This all-new set of kits allows you to upgrade the radio in your vehicle whilst retaining specific functions. There are 4 variations of kit for the platform, so be sure to visit the link in the description below to find the right product. To start the installation, use a Bojo tool to remove the fans from both sides of the head unit. Then move on to remove the 4 screws that surround the main head unit. Disengage the arms of the Porsche blanking plate located at the bottom of the head unit and pull it up and away from the dashboard. You can then remove the main head unit and disconnect all the wiring in the process. Take the fascia panel and the new cage found within the kit and begin to line it up with the new aftermarket head unit. For a list of clips that need to be retained from the OEM cage, please refer to the instruction manual. Due to the nature of this vehicle, we are utilising the CTK P012, which comes with our CTS P0008.2 steering wheel interface for non-amplified vehicles. For more information on specific wiring solutions, please see details in the description below. Once the wiring has all been calibrated, you can then connect the main power harness to that of the vehicles. Begin to stow away the wiring and slide the head unit into the aperture, following on to mount and screw the new fascia panel into place. Finishing the installation off by reinstalling the fans as well as the new fascia trim. With the CTK P012 now installed, the aftermarket head unit will play music through the vehicle's original sound system and will react to previous steering wheel control commands such as volume and track selection. To find out more information about this and any of the variant Porsche installation kits, use the details on screen or head on over to connects2.com.